Hey everyone, welcome back to the Trident, and today we are taking a look at the new Xiaomi CV3, another mid-ranger from Xiaomi that packs some really promising specs. It's been anticipated by users for a few months now, and it's been one of the most visually appealing phones launched in recent times. Let's take a deep dive into the specs of the phone, and I will also point out some of the cons that I have noted in this device. Let's begin with the design. The Xiaomi CV3 comes with an eye-catching dual color tone finish at the back, offering users a choice of 4 delightful color variations, that is rose purple, mint green, adventure gold, and coconut ash. Situated in the top left corner, you will find a prominent camera module that houses all 3 camera lenses within it. The camera island is elegantly encircled by a metal ring that perfectly matches the color of the rear panel, delivering a sleek and polished appearance. The flash module sits just below the camera ring. Overall, the phone feels quite good in hands, and it is also quite lightweight and sleek that provides a very comfortable grip. As a little shortcoming in this department, let me tell you that this device has a plastic middle frame which has been used to make it feel a little lightweight, and it might be a little issue for some people, but that's actually fine. Anyways, the Xiaomi CV3 features a 6.55-inch OLED curved display with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. It offers a display frame rate of up to 120Hz and a touch sampling rate of up to 240Hz, overall ensuring smooth and responsive interactions. With a DCI-P3 color gamut peak, the display produces rich and accurate colors, while its peak brightness of 1500 nit ensures excellent visibility even in bright conditions. It also has 1920Hz high-frequency PWM dimming for flicker-free screen experience and a 12-bit panel support for smooth color gradients. It also features automatic brightness adjustment and HDR10 Plus and adaptive HDR10 Plus technologies for enhanced dynamic range. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass, providing durability against scratches and drops. The front panel also has a pill-shaped cutout in the top center for its dual front cameras. Under the hood, the smartphone comes equipped with recently launched MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultra chipset, which is an improved version of the Dimensity 8200 SoC. The chipset is a decent choice for gaming and has a respectable score on the Antutu benchmark. You won't have any problems playing most games, but it may struggle with the really high game settings. To keep the temperatures under control, Xiaomi also has incorporated a large stainless steel VC liquid cooling system in this device, and it is really good. The Xiaomi CV3 offers users a choice between 2 RAM options. Opting for the 12GB RAM configuration provides LPDDR5 RAM, while selecting the 16GB RAM variant offers LPDDR5X RAM, which is a significant advantage over the 12GB variant. The device is available in 3 storage options ranging from 256GB to 1TB of UFS 2.1 storage capacity. It currently operates on the Android 13 based on MIUI 40. The phone is equipped with a built-in 4500 mAh battery with 67W fast charging. The battery capacity is not too large, but only a proper test can reveal its true potential. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and keep an eye on our community tab for regular updates on any of the tests conducted on this device. Anyways, when it comes to the rear camera, there is a 50MP Sony IMX800 sensor with an f1.77 aperture. It also has support for optic image stabilization, ensuring sharp and stable captures. There is an 8MP ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture. Additionally, there is a 2MP macro lens which is included for close-up shots. On the front, the device supports a peel-shaped cutout housing a dual selfie camera setup. The primary lens is a 32MP shooter with f2.2 aperture and autofocus capability. The secondary front-facing camera is also a 32MP, serving as an ultra-wide-angle lens with electronic image stabilization support. Let me also mention some noteworthy things that you must know before going for this. The Xiaomi CV3 also has some shortcomings, such as a Z-axis linear motor, which is not too good and does not provide a significant haptic feedback. Another disadvantage that you may notice in this device that it has a single speaker, so you won't expect that surround sound experience from this device. Apart from that, it has a single frequency GPS, which is also quite low end and not too accurate. Although NFC, infrared remote control and other features have been added to attract the users. So that's it about everything about the Xiaomi CV3. Let me know what are your opinions about this device in comments. We will be doing a more in-depth review of the phone in the coming weeks, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more hands-on videos and reviews like this. And thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.